How to enable or disable multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Next, to enable multicam, you need to create a multicam clip. Select all the clips you want to use in the media pool. Then, right-click and choose Create New Multi-Camera Clip using selected clips. In the window that appears, set your sync method, usually by timecode or audio. After that, click Create and your clips will be combined into one multicam clip. Once your multicam clip is ready, drag it to the timeline. You can now cut between angles using keyboard shortcuts like Alt+1, Alt+2 and so on, depending on your camera angle. If you want to disable selected multicam angles or clips, you can select them and press the D key, which disables the selected clip temporarily. Keep in mind, disabling multicam doesn't delete your multicam clip. You can re-enable it anytime by selecting the clip and pressing the D key if you need to make further adjustments or switch angles again. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable multicam editing in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.